Hello, and thanks again for joining us here at North Miami Beach Public Library for another online tutorial. Today we'll be talking about our online resource, the Florida Electronic Library. The Florida Electronic Library is run by the Florida Department of State, and since 2003, it has provided 190 million articles, ebooks, videos, and other electronic resources to the citizens of Florida. So basically, it's a one-stop shop if you need information on just about anything. So let's get started. First off, you'll go to the library's homepage, which is nmblib.com. Once you're there, you'll go to Online Resources and then click on Research Links. From there, you'll scroll down to where it says Florida Electronic Library and then click on the graphic. Now here's the homepage for the Florida Electronic Library. As you can see, it says Miami-Dade Public Library System, which we are not a part of. So we're going to fix that now by changing our library. From here, you need to put in your library card number with no spaces. And hit enter. So it says you successfully changed libraries, and it has the North Miami Beach Public Library listed. Now, the great thing about the Florida Electronic Library is that it gives you so many different ways to find resources for K through 12, for college, for businesses, and also for just regular citizens who want health information or information about the world around them. So the homepage here, you can search by subject, by grade level. You can find ebooks. There's also a way to browse resources that you may be interested in, including magazines and newspapers, and career and jobs, which are both very popular resources. They also have a dedicated section just for things about Florida, so that is also great. Now, if you go to interest up here at the top, you can see that you can click on things that you just may be interested in. Let's say you're interested in inventions. There's a section for that. Or if you're looking for a job, there's a whole list of resources here just for people who are looking for jobs. So this is also really convenient. Now, if you click on all resources, as you can see, this is a list of all the databases you have access to through this website, and there are a lot. If you click on Browse By, that's pretty much the same thing we had on the homepage. And here on eBooks, you can see a ton of different ebooks that you can click on and have access to through the website. Most of these are reference books for children K through 12. There are a few here that are also for college level students. So back here at the homepage, we're going to explore the career and job section. Once you click that, you can see that there are a few databases here, including an online career guidance center, the Employ Florida Marketplace, where you can apply for jobs and research careers specifically in state, the Occupational Outlook Handbook, which is great for looking at what different jobs require in terms of education and how much they offer, and also Vocations and Careers, where you can find out information about how to obtain degrees and things you need for different careers. So this is a great resource for just about anybody, and everyone can find something useful here at the Florida Electronic Library. Thanks again for viewing this tutorial. If you have any questions or need assistance, please feel free to contact us here at North Miami Beach Public Library, and we hope you have a great day. Thank you.